how to log out of WhatsApp account. So if you want to log out of your WhatsApp account, then what you need to do is simply open up your WhatsApp application. So once you open your WhatsApp, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that the three dots icon. Tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, now here you just need to simply go with account option. Under account here, you don't have an option of log out, right? So what you need to do is go back and then go with the upper right of the screen, which has a drop down bar. Tap on the drop down bar, and here you will have an option of add account, which means you can switch your account, but there is no option that you can log out of your WhatsApp. So in order to log out of your WhatsApp, you just need to delete your storage. So simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application, tap on app info, and then tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache and clear storage, and tap on delete. And once you've deleted your app data, your WhatsApp will automatically be logged out. So that's how you can log out of your WhatsApp account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.